Hello everyone, welcome to GS Academy. In this video, we are going to study a few questions related to proportion. Find the value of x in each of the following. So first question is 42 is to 12 is as 7 is to x. So 42 will be the first term, 12 will be the second term, 7 will be the third term and x will be the fourth term. Now we will use the formula product of means is equals to product of extremes. This basic concept is already covered in the previous video. So product of means means second and third term. So this will be 12 into 7 is equals to extreme means first and the last term. So this will be x into 42. Now in order to find the value of x, we will shift this 42 here. So this becomes x is equals to 12 into 7 upon 42. So this will be 7 ones are and 7 six are, 6 ones are and 6 twos are. So the value of x in this question will be 2. Now let's see the second question. 6 is to 0.8 is as x is to 10. So again we will use the same formula. So this will become 0.8 into x is equals to 10 into 6. Now in order to find the value of x, we will shift this 0.8 here. So this becomes x is equals to 10 into 6 upon 0.8. Now there is a decimal number, so we will have to remove the decimal. So we will multiply with 10 here. So this becomes 10 into 6 into 10 upon 8. So 2 fours are and 2 fives are. 2 twos are and 2 fives are. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So 5 threes are is 15 and 15 fives are is 75. So the value of x will be 75 for the second question. Now let's see the third question. So this will become x into 1 upon 3 is equals to product of extremes will be 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 4. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this fraction on the other side. So while shifting the fraction, it becomes reciprocal. So this will be x is equals to 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 1. So 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So the value of x for this question will be 1 upon 3 into 4, that is equals to 1 upon 12. Now let's see the next question here. 16 is to x is as x is to 25. So again by using the same formula, it will become x into x will give us x square is equals to 16 into 25. Now in order to find the value of x, we will shift this square on this side. So this will become x is equals to square root of 16 into 25. Now 16 and 25 both are a perfect square root. So this will become 4 into 5. Square root of 16 will be 4 and square root of 25 will be 5. So x value for this question will be 20. If you find this video interesting, please like the video. Now let's see the next question. Find the fourth proportional to 4, 9 and 32. Now fourth proportional will be the fourth term here. So this will become 4 is to 9 is as 32 is to x. Now in order to find the value of x, we will use the same formula product of means is equals to product of extremes. So this will be 32 into 9 is equals to 4 into x. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this 4. So this will be x is equals to 32 into 9 upon 4. So 4 ones are and 4 eights are. So answer will be 8 nines are is 72. Now next question, 15, 6 and 7. So we will write this down as 15 is to 6 is as 7 is to x. So this will become 6 into 7 is equals to 15 into x. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this 15. So this will be x is equals to 6 into 7 upon 15. So 3 twos are will be 6, 3 fives are is 15. So this will be 14 upon 5. Now 14 is not divisible by 5, so this will be in decimals. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are 10, 5 eights are is 40. So 2.8 will be the fourth proportional to second question. Now let's see the third question. So this will become 0.6 is to 1.5 is as 3 is to x. So this will be 1.5 into 3 is equals to 0.6 into x. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this 0.6. So this will be 1.5 into 3 upon 0.6 is equals to x. Now if you observe this decimal and this decimal, so while removing we just have to multiply with 10. So this will be x is equals to 15 into 3 upon 6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this will be 15 upon 2. Now as 15 is not divisible by 2, the answer will be in the decimal. So this will be 7.5. Now let's see the second question. Find the mean proportional between 81 and 121. So for mean proportional, we will consider x square is equals to 81 into 121. So in order to find the value of x, we will shift this square here. So this will become square root of 81 into 121. Now 81 and 121 both are perfect square root number. So square root of 81 will be 9 and square root of 121 will be 11. So x, that is mean proportion, will be 99. Now let's see the second question. This is x square is equals to 1.8 into 0.2. Now this will be x is equals to under root of 1.8 into 0.2. Now here first we can remove the decimal and then also we can solve. So this will be 1.8 into 0.2. Over here after decimal digit there is only one digit and here also there is one digit. So we will multiply this number with 100 in order to remove the decimal and divide it with 100. So this will be 18 into 2 upon 100. So 18 twos are is 36 upon 100. So if you observe, 36 is a perfect square root of 6 and 100 is a perfect square root of 10. So this will be 0.6. So mean proportion for the second question will be 0.6. Now let's see the third question. So this will be x square is equals to 2 upon 3 into 8 upon 27. So we will solve this as square root of 2 upon 3 into 8 upon 27. So first we will multiply these numbers because none of these is a perfect square root. So 8 twos are will be 16 and 27 if we multiply it with 3, our answer will be 81. So square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 81 is 9. I hope this concept is clear. Follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is mentioned here. Thank you.